Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you how to make an eggless omelette. This recipe is perfect for anyone who is vegan, has an egg allergy or simply wants to try something new. To start, you will need the following ingredients. 1/2 cup of chickpea flour. 1/2 cup of water. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Salt and pepper to taste. 1/4 cup of chopped vegetables of your choice, such as bell peppers, onions, mushrooms, etc. 1 tablespoon of oil for cooking. Now, let's get started with the recipe. Step 1. In a mixing bowl, combine the chickpea flour, water, nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Mix well until you have a smooth batter. Step 2. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and add the oil. Once the oil is hot, add the chopped vegetables and sauté them until they are cooked through. Step 3. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it out evenly. Cook the omelette for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, or until it starts to firm up and turn golden brown. Step 4. Carefully flip the omelette over using a spatula and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Step 5. Once the omelette is cooked through and golden brown on both sides, transfer it to a plate and serve hot. And there you have it. A delicious and eggless omelette that's easy to make and packed with flavor. This recipe is perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any time of day. Enjoy! Like, share and subscribe for more amazing videos.